Hello guys, welcome to Urban Rot. Today I'm with Lewis Merrin and Sean. We're going to explore two abandoned care homes. One of them's had a fire, but the other one's still pretty intact. It's still got a lot of graffiti and everything like that from what we can see through the doors. Before we head on with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Head on over to Lewis's and give him a sub as well. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description. And you can find Sean on Instagram, Sean's Derps. Give him a follow, he's got some pretty amazing photos on there. So head on over to his Instagram if you have Instagram. Let's get on with this explore. Alright guys, first care home is here. But I'm going to head on over to the other care home, which is just here first. It's had a fire, so it's only going to be very quick, this one. And then we're going to head on over to the one here. It's on 2 floors, that one. So I want to have a look at this because it's nice when sort of nature grows back through places. So hopefully it's got quite a lot of nature coming back through.
How's that possible?
No.
Ah, you stupid idiot.
What have you done? Oh, you have done that. You have done that. I said, shake it off.
Shake it off. What size of that? Through my foot?
That's a big nail. Is there any blood on it?
No.
That's all that matters.
I don't bleed.
I don't believe.
That hurt though.
Well, that wall wasn't even falling down when I was home.
Well, there's not much holding that bit of roofing up neither, is there?
No. This has had a bit more of a hammering.
There's not even the roof on this bit.
There's no roof at all.
Yeah, that guys is why you do not wear trainers when you come exploring.
Wear boots like me.
Wear boots, what puncture proof. The one like that did actually hurt quite a lot.
Yeah, I bet it did. It weren't your brightest moment.
Yeah, it's pretty had it this place, isn't it?
This has seen nature come over. Look. No, this is just green.
What was that? Oh, that was a shower. Oh, sorry, mate.
In there, the green room. Oh, is that a bat? Oh God!
Have I made you jump again? That's twice in one night. Jesus Christ. I think how's all this not been cleared away? Just like been demolished and not built on.
Oh! I was just standing here.
You're very jumpy this evening.
Yeah.
Someone's scared of the dark.
Oh, Casper.
No, he's a friendly ghost, don't worry. Oh, it's slippery, isn't it?
Yeah, this place is pretty much had it. I take it this was a bungalow.
No.
No, a care home.
What, 2 floors?
Yeah. This building was an exact mirror of the one we
So where's the rest of it gone then?
Literally mirrored. The fire was upstairs, it's all fallen. Whole top floor gone.
Yeah, but there's no like rubble. There's no nothing. You got a little bit there, but that's like just plasterboard what he's standing on.
It was attended, the fire, so they might have cleared some of it out. I think what's happened, because when I first came after the fire, all of
Yeah.
the floor was actually quite clean. and you could walk through it like a ruin. So I think
Oh,
this
right.
is all what's fallen from this floor.
Yeah.
Just weather damage and stuff since it's been open. Still got a bloody wooden floor.
I'm going to head off into the other one.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm going to head on into the other care home. This one's been fire damaged, obviously, but Sean says the other one's still pretty much intact. It's still got both floors. So we're just going to head on over there. Probably scare Lewis 1 or 2 more times. Be a good laugh.
Let's make it as many times as we can.
Yeah.
Many times he calls for it.
Yeah, pretty dangerous, that building. As you can see, like all the nails and everything, but it's not bad. I do like all the plants and stuff going back out the floor and through the windows, and pretty soon there won't be much of that you can see, whereas it's just overgrown. But I'm surprised all this hasn't been demolished yet. The rate that they're building new houses and that, I'm surprised that's still here. Same as this one, to be fair. But let's go and have a look, see what this care home's like. But Sean and Lewis have been here before, and they said the other care home is a spitting image of this one. So however this care home looks and the layout would be how the other one was. There's a lot of graffiti in here. Nice little staircase though. So that would have been the main entrance. What I thought. Cool. There's quite a pipe coming off the end of it. Cool. Just noticed that. Don't know if you can see, but all that ceiling's about to come down. I won't go in that room. Take it these must have been the rooms for residents. Got an ensuite shower. Oops, sorry. Just walked in this room here, the ceiling's about to come down.
Yeah.
It's pretty dodgy in there.
10 out of 10 trash, isn't it?
And it's a pointless cupboard.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's literally about to come down, isn't it? Cool, same as that. I'm not going in that room. Cool, look at that. Well, it's probably the kitchen. Thing when places get trashed, it's so hard to tell what some of the rooms are. Like blinding you. That wall's weird, isn't it? How they've made it sort of curved.
Yeah. Know how hard it is to sneak anywhere in here. Coming in here to scare you was so stressful.
Yeah,
We didn't
that
want to
was
use
hard.
We didn't want to use our torches. There's brambles everywhere, and you walk in here and it's just like. Yeah, I know. I was filming through that little hole there.
I thought it was fake before you.
Yeah, that was the idea. I knew that you'd find him. I was like, oh,
Do I attempt going upstairs though with the way the floors are?
It's all right up there.
I walked that.
Did you? So I'll go through the flooring.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, perfect.
See what's in there. Ah, it's the attic. You can see the whole floor's coming down now. It's not a very big place, but I'm going to grab a lot of photos from here. Certainly an interesting little place as well.
Is that bit of floor just falling now?
I don't know.
Because it's in that bit that it's falling, I think.
Yeah, but it didn't sound like it come from down there though, did it? Definitely like a noise, but
Well, it's probably Mary.
probably Merrin. Yeah, guys, it's only a quick explore this one. They're not very big, but either way, it's still interesting to see what places are like and what places are literally just left around where people just don't want them, or they're being left, and God knows why this place is being left. It's been knocked down and they could build some useful houses here. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again on another explore. See you later.
Oh! Okay, well done.